I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your email on SoFi Invest is straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the SoFi Invest app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option, usually found in the profile menu. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, find the section labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on it to update your email. Step 4. Enter your new email. Type in your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos to avoid issues later. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to finalize the change. Remember, if you don't see the confirmation message after saving, check your spam folder for a verification email. Happy investing!